How to install your Nexxt Home outdoor wired Wi-Fi smart camera. First, make sure you have all the necessary parts on hand. Select the location to install the camera. Mark the position of the 3 mounting plate holes on the surface with a pencil. Drill the holes and insert the wall anchors. Align the dual camera connector cable along the channel on the mounting plate. Now firmly screw the base to the surface. Once fixed, adjust the direction and tilt angle of the camera as needed. Now tighten the lock collar by turning it clockwise until the chosen orientation is firmly secured. Connect the provided Type-C power cable to the USB-C port on the camera's dual connector. Finally, plug the adapter into a wall outlet. With this, you have learned how to physically install your Nexxt Home outdoor wired Wi-Fi smart camera.